happy. That means that people identify with the election, and people also worry that they are elected people at the grassroots. And so today is the opportunity for them to choose who will represent them at the local government level, from the councillorship to the chairmanship position. I have to say with this, I watched particularly the outreach when you are saying that Akpoti, that is not correct. You should have the experience of Nigerian voters in elections. You have general elections which will be conducted by INEC. You have local elections which will be conducted by the State Independent Electoral Commission. And you know that most cases, elections start from 10 o'clock in the morning. So when you go to a polling booth by 9 and you think you expect people to come up by that time, that's not the usual case. I watch you when you say the water tea, which is water. That's purely a commercial area. You didn't go to the residential area. I also expect that you go to the rural areas like HL local government, like local government, MOA local government. Go to areas like Akpoti-Uduaghan, go to Akpoti-Uduaghan, go to Ahoda East, Ahoda West, and see what is going on. Don't just, we have about 7,000 polling units, and you just go and take 2 polling units in the commercial city, in that you know that there are no residents there, and then you judge that there's Akpoti. But you can see what has happened here now. So also it is in all other units. Yes, you can have some units, you do not have people who make them. That's not me. Out of 7,000 units, you have that same. No, it's not correct. And then I've also heard of you talk about, because there are no difference. We have also complained in the general election of the problems about the difference. And instead of you to praise research, look at the security agencies. You have not heard of any violence. You have not heard of carrying of the ballot boxes. You see that electoral materials there people are casting their votes. Commend them. As far as they are concerned, this election is different. As far as they are concerned, people are trooping out. By the time the election will play, you will see the number of passes. So we're very happy that this election, at the end of the day, that had been conducted very peacefully and successfully.
So what's next for Rivers State after here?
Of course, what it means that I do know that by 18th of September, that the state of emergency will expire, and then that will mean that the state governor and the state assembly will come back to their job, and then we had to at the grassroots level. Remember, the Supreme Court had nullified the other election, and so if this election was not conducted, it will mean that there will not be representative at the grassroots level, which will not be acceptable by the people of Rivers State. So, having done this, then the coast is clear for the state of emergency to be lifted, meaning that the local government has representative, the state government has its own elected representative. So, we are good to go.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
I was actually helping this you have another code to come back. You just arrived. So we're actually thinking whether we should go live again. Yes. Let me go live. He's here now. Femi. No, you don't. Hey, no enter. No, I'm making you come out. I'm making you come out. Razak. Go.
Seven. You never change up to now.
Everybody's tension.
They were waiting for the man to go so that all of them would come out. So the normal thing is
You know what I'm saying? I was
What's your name, sir?
This is German. Yes. You're putting it.
But I don't point out because of the English. Don't point it.
No, this is in the house. Run.
you don't receive salary.